What's up, guys? It's Raf in the RAFCAVE. Welcome back to another unboxing video. Now this here is going to be on my this is going to be my final gaming headsets for a long time. Now guys, if you want an incredible gaming headset, you go Lucidsound. Now the ones that I currently have right now are the LS31s. These are wireless, but I choose to have wired because I have a DAC and the butt kicker for my seat, so I mixed that up. Anyway, I love these headsets. These have beaten out Turtle Beach. These have beaten out Astro. These have beaten out Corsair. These have beaten out HyperX. Did I say Razer? Beat them all in comfort and sound quality and features. Fantastic. These have incredibly comfortable top. They're very big. They twist nicely, rotates, you can put them on your chest. They got it all. It's awesome. One thing I'm just not really happy about is the color scheme, right? You see around me, I got the colors and everything, and I don't have too much of this chrome grayness going on. So, for me in the RAFCAVE live streams, I need to have something a little more color corrected. Now, I did have the Astro, what are those? Anyway, link in the description right here if you want to see that unboxing. But now, search the web. I want to stick with Lucidsound because I love them. Boom. The LS25 Lucidsound Tournament Edition red black variation. My goodness. Favorite colors. This is going to be amazing, guys. I'm going to do an unboxing and show you what they look like. Do a mic test and all that good stuff. You guys ready for this? Like, subscribe, share if you're excited. Lucidsound for the win. You know what time it is, guys. Black pin. We have multiple tape positions. 1, 2, 3. There we go. All right, so looks like we got the microphone, which is detachable, of course. We have our mic cables, which you can use into your PC with the mic and headphone adapter. And that should be about it there. And now these beauties. Beautiful. Beautiful. The red and black. Fantastic color coordination here. The red and black is gorgeous. I wonder how. Well, these don't have any markings on the sides. You have to remember the clicks. But same way. Very, very stretchy, very forgiving, which I like. Right and left. Large, cushioned ear cups for over the ear. I've never had any issues with fatigue on the side of my ear. I've done a 8-hour stream with nothing but these headphones. Fantastic, the whole way. Now on the side they have these little clicky buttons here. This is going to be for your mic mute, and on the other side is going to be for your volume. All right, so volume. Let me see here. Quick access control. Dual mic system. 50mm drivers, which is important. PC connection. This works with all consoles, of course. Okay, so on the left side is your volume control. And on the right side is your push button to mute the mic. That's it. Push button to mute the mic. The other side is your volume control up and down. That's what it is. All right, guys. So I'm gonna get this plugged in, and I'm gonna test the mic for you guys and see what it sounds like. All right, let's get it. All right, guys. So what you want to do is you want to install your mic to do a mic check, right? Install your mic at the bottom here. Put that guy right there, and this is a bendable, right? And it's got a little windscreen on top. And if you want to mute it, you just click the right side, mute it, and it'll go red. See that little red? right there. Unmute it, then it unmutes. Put the windscreen back on. Very stretchy, guys. All right, first time putting it on. It's fantastic. Just like Lucidsound Comfort. Just like from the old style LS31s, which I love. These feel just the same, and they look a hell of a lot better with that red and black, baby. Oh, man. All right. Now, the attached cable is probably going to be 8 feet long or so plenty of cord. Then the 2 ends you plug into your PC with the mic and the headphone adapter. Now let's do a mic test. You guys ready? Push this guy aside. All right. Now I'm speaking to you two with the included mic from the Lucidsound headphones. And, you know, if you want to mute it, unmute it, there it is. So, yeah, if you just want to use this, I don't know how it sounds. Hopefully it sounds decent, but it's a game headset, so the mic isn't going to be professional or nothing. But if it does a job, thumbs up, right? But, guys, this is the Lucidsound LS25s. I love them. They're so comfy, guys. Let me tell you, super comfy. Multiple hours, going 8, 9, 10 plus hours with these guys. You're fine. These are the wired version only, so no wireless, which means it's going to be a little bit lighter weight. These are lighter than the wireless ones, which is good. You know, lighter the headset, the better, that longer that it feels. You know, better it feels. Sound quality, amazing, right? Bass is tight, treble's great, surround sounds good. You can use this for Dolby Atmos and Windows Sonic and DTS:X and all that stuff. Just depends on your PC audio settings and all that. But for me, guys, Lucidsound is #1 in my book. Nothing else conquers these guys. I just wanted black and red version. Ah, yes. Love it. All black, matches everything else around me. Red. I'm done, guys. All right, guys, thanks for watching this unboxing and mic test, and check these bad boys out. I'll leave a link in the description below if you want to pick yourself up one. Otherwise, guys, these are the headsets from now on for my RAFCAVE live streams. You guys have a great day. Home theater rules. Raf out. See ya.